Okay, this video is just a quick intro on how to change the line items or products and services, in other words, in Zoho Books and Zoho Invoice. We're using Zoho Invoice in this video, but the process is exactly the same for Zoho Books as well. And the way this is done is to change the items which are accessible either from the estimates list, so I click estimates and here are the items, or also from the invoices. So I click invoices, here's the invoice list, and over here on the right side of the submenu is the items list. I'm going to use this one, but you can choose it from any screen, estimates or invoices, it doesn't matter. So here we've got the list of just example items, products, services or whatever from your organization, and to change them is extremely simple. All I would go in, do is to click the item name, change whatever I need to change, and then also change the price accordingly. Whatever I need to edit, I would do so on this screen. Tax, save. Now that's it. All I've done, I've changed the description on this case along with the rate. Okay, so the changes would take place when I then add that to an estimate or an invoice. If I want to change another one, I can just edit. This time I'll edit the actual name of the product and the description and the price. Here I can select a tax. I can also use this screen to add a new tax for the specific product. Okay, so I can add tax names, VAT, sales tax, withholding tax, things like that for your region, and then apply them to the specific products in my portfolio. So I can do that, then I'll save, and now so the item name has changed, the description has changed as well, and the price of the item has changed. So if I were to create now an estimate, actually I can do that from this screen and create estimate or create invoice. So I can click here, select the product, create estimate, and now the new product here is actually inserted directly into the estimate, and I would select the customer. If I come here and click new estimate, okay, now I would need to select it from a list. So that's just a quick way of inserting the product into the estimate. Okay, so then you see the revised name, the revised description, and the revised price all in there automatically, along with the tax that I select for that product. Okay, so the same applies for invoices. For example, if I were to just edit an invoice this time, so everything else is in there, I'm just going to edit this one to add a website design. There it is. So this time the revised product name comes up there along with the description, and the pricing is then converted in this case from my base currency, which is 500, into the currency for this particular customer, okay, which would be euros. Okay, so this is where you get multiple currencies and conversions and so on. But the key part of this video is the items and how to access and how to edit the items, products and services in your business. Okay, thanks very much.